Let me show you how to fix call issues on Xiaomi Watch 5. So what you need to do is you want to open the Mi Fitness app or Mi Fitness app on your smartphone, and then we're gonna go to, of course, you want to make sure that the device is selected and make sure that you have Xiaomi Watch 5 selected as well. Now in here we're gonna open the notifications and calls, and we want to go to incoming calls, and you want to make sure that all of these two options are enabled. You want to turn them on. Besides that, it might be necessary to also enable app notifications, so turn them on. And in addition to that, you might want to check out notify only when worn. Now if you happen to have issues with notifications in general, then you might want to turn this option off just to make sure that you always receive notifications. Although if you don't have that problem, then of course you can keep this option enabled. And besides that, we can stick with mirror phone notifications, at least for now. Custom notifications should allow you to choose which apps should send you notifications, but we're gonna stick with this for now, just to make sure that every app can send us notifications, including the phone app. Now, besides that, if you still cannot see incoming calls on your Xiaomi Watch 5, what we can do is we can open settings. So let's press the crown to go to the apps list. And over here, we need to find settings. There we go. So let's open settings. Then over here, we're gonna go to sound. So we're gonna select sound option first. Over here, we have mute, ring, and notifications. You want to make sure that this option is disabled. If you have it enabled, you might not be able to hear it, of course, and maybe for some reason you will just miss it. But if you still cannot see notifications at all, if we go to apps and notifications, over here we can find the do not disturb, and this option should also be disabled. If you have it enabled, then you just might not be able to see incoming phone calls, so just turn it off, and hopefully now you can actually see incoming calls on your Xiaomi Watch 5. Leave a like and subscribe.